WordPress typically comes with a few post types. What do you mean by post type? So when we go here and click on add new, you'll notice that I can add a post, I can add media or a page or a user. Each one of these is a post type. So this is the way WordPress manages things. So when I'm creating a post, I'm creating a post type of post or a post type of page. The advantage that WordPress brings is that you can create your own custom post types. While these are the default built-in post types, we can actually create our own custom post types. So you might be a company that sells products, such as this one that's selling certain granite and marble bench tops, right? So why would we create pages and posts when we want to manage your products? They have a product database and they want to manage products. And as you can see here, everything is called as products. And when they go to add, they get a custom post type known as products. They can view those products, they can edit those products and manage those products. These custom post types can then use what's known as custom taxonomies to differentiate them. For example, if you have a look here, we have different product types, product colors, and clearance items. These are the way I've categorized them or provided some taxonomy, right? So a way to differentiate between different products. So if I go to edit this first one, Kalakatagmasa Marble, you will notice that instead of just categories, if you'll notice previously, if you go to post, you had categories and tags. Here you have your own custom taxonomies that include things like product types. So I can say, is it a marble, is it a bluestone, is it a granite? You have product colors, right? White, black, and you can set these custom categories and custom tags. We are calling them custom taxonomy here because you can create your own taxonomy, your own way of differentiating between different products. And you can also say clearance items. So this is one custom post type called products with its own taxonomies. Similarly, if I was to log into a vitamin selling company, this company has an online shop where they sell vitamins. So if we visit their site, you'll see that they are selling beauty products, probiotics, and a lot of stuff. And if I navigate to one of these products, and these are typically products here, the product could have, again similar to previously, it can have descriptions, additional information, directs, ingredients, reviews. There's a lot of information that goes with this. And here I'm seeing again there are products, and these products can have categories, tags, and what is known as attributes. So you could say this can only be shipped this way, or this product is only available in this form. So again, so you typically have this dashboard which provides an ability for you to not just add the products but import products and create them from a CSV file and so forth. So that's a quick look at different custom post types. So here's a custom post type of products with its own categories and tags that are different to the typical post categories and tabs, and also have additional attributes that you can say, okay, I want to build on this product and say this product is available in white color or things like that. So I hope that makes custom post types a bit more clearer. This is what has made WordPress one of the most popular content management systems, taking it beyond just the blogging realm, just beyond creating websites. You can create apps, you can create these dashboards that exactly speak what you're thinking, rather than just saying posts and pages. You can actually title them the way you want and provide that benefit to the end user of navigating them and creating them in a much more intuitive way. So that's a quick look at custom post types and custom taxonomies. We will dive deeper a little bit later.